In this video, I'm going to teach you how to publish WordPress website on Google. So the first thing you need to do there is to head over to their website, which is wordpress.com. You have two options. You can either log in if you already have an account, but if you do not have an account yet, you can click on this Get Started option in order to create your own account and create your website from there as well. So in my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and click on Login right here and proceed to log in. Now this is what my actual WordPress site looks like. So I have in here my dashboard and likes. So in order to publish your WordPress website on Google, you need to head over to your dashboard and then go over right here to the settings that you can see on your left sidebar. When you hover in this, you can see this reading option. So head over and click on that. Now in here, just scroll down and you can see some more things right here. As you have noticed, my site is still not visible and it's actually private. So first thing we need to do is make sure to launch our site right here by clicking on the button. And then this will load in order to launch our site. And you can head over and choose in here the domain that you want. We have in here some recommended domain as well as some free domain that you can actually choose right here. Now, if you're not ready to choose a domain yet, you can choose a domain later. And you can choose the plan that's right for you. You can see in here the plan that you want. You can keep the plan and select some more plans that you want to use for this case. I'll just keep the plan that I have in here, and as you can see, my site will be published. Now, once your site has been published, next thing you need to do is head over and then head back to your settings and head back to the reading option. Into this part, you can scroll down and you can see that our site is now public. And make sure to click onto this checkbox right here that says discourage search engines from indexing this site. So click onto the save changes in order to save this. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here that we have saved this. Next thing you need to do is you can head over right here to our plugins. And you should be able to see in here the Yoast SEO or rank map. This will actually help you automatically generate an XML sitemap for your website that helps you publish to Google. So you can head over and then just publish or as well as install this particular SEO integration and you should be able to have it ready. So that's how you publish WordPress on Google. I hope this video helped you out.